How are you? In this lesson, we will review a bit of the first lesson. You will learn a lot of cool things.
Welcome back, devs! In our first lesson, you gave your hello world and learned how to introduce yourself. Today, we're going to add more information to that profile. Think of this as the second commit to your learning project. We're going to detail your stack. What is a stack? It's the set of technologies you use to build software. Knowing how to describe this is fundamental in any professional conversation or interview. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to 1. Name the languages, frameworks, and tools you work with. 2. Use the simple present to describe your skills and professional focus. 3. Understand more detailed technical profile descriptions. Ready to build upon your foundation? Let's dive in! Technology categories. Let's expand our technical vocabulary. These are the words you'll use every day to describe your work. Let's listen and repeat. Front-end technologies. Languages. HTML. CSS. JavaScript. TypeScript. Frameworks. Libraries. React. Angular. Vue.js. Back-end technologies. Languages. Node.js, Python, Java, C#, PHP, Ruby, Go. Frameworks. Express.js for Node, Django for Python, Spring Boot for Java. Mobile development. Swift for iOS, Kotlin for Android, React Native, Flutter. Databases. Relational. SQL, MySQL, PostgreSQL, NoSQL, MongoDB, Firebase. Other essential tools. Version control, Git, GitHub. Containers, Docker. Cloud platforms, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. To describe facts and routines, such as the technologies you use, we use the simple present. In Lesson 1, we saw the verb to be, I am. Now, let's use action verbs. The rule is simple. For I, you, we, they, we use the verb in its base form. I use VS Code. You work with APIs. We build mobile apps. They write clean code. For he, she, it, we add s or es to the verb. He uses Python. She works with React. It runs on a Docker container. Key prepositions. Use with for specific tools and technologies. I work with React. She codes with Java. Use in for areas or fields of expertise. He works in backend development. They specialize in mobile apps. Action verbs. I work with. I work with Python and Django. I use. I use Git for version control. I build. I build applications with React. I specialize in. I specialize in backend development. Tip for the student. On screen. Pause the video and create a sentence for each technology you know. Example. I use JavaScript. I work with React. Time to tune your ears to a more technical conversation. Listen to this dialogue.
So, what do you do here at the company, Ben?
I'm a full-stack developer on the new e-commerce project.
Oh, cool. What's your stack?
For the back end, I mainly use Node.js with Express. For the front end, I work with React.
Is Ben a front-end or a full-stack developer? What technology does he use for the back end? Does he work with Angular? Yes or no? LinkedIn profile of a back-end developer. Let's analyze how developers describe their skill stacks in professional profiles, such as on LinkedIn or GitHub. About. I am a software engineer with 5 years of experience, specializing in back-end development. I build robust and scalable APIs using Python, Django, and Postgres. I also have experience with cloud services, mainly AWS. My focus is on writing clean, efficient, and testable code. What is his specialty? Front-end or back-end? What database does he use? True or false? He works with C# and Azure. What is his focus when he codes? Bio of a front-end developer on GitHub.
Hi there, I'm Julia. I'm a front-end developer passionate about creating beautiful and intuitive user interfaces. I currently work with React, TypeScript, Next.js. I'm currently learning GraphQL. Ask me about UI/UX design, CSS animations.
Does Julia work with back-end technologies? What framework is she learning? What are 2 topics you can ask her about?
Writing exercise. Excellent. You have the vocabulary and the grammar. Now, let's put all of this into practice. This is your challenge. In your exercise file, we'll expand on the bio you created in Lesson 1. Use the template below to write a more complete description of your technical profile. I am a and I specialize in. I build applications with and I also use for version control and for my development environment. Speaking, it's time to practice the pronunciation of technologies and phrases. Let's do a shadowing exercise again. Pause and repeat after me. 1. I work with JavaScript and React. 2. He specializes in database management. 3. She uses Python for data analysis. 4. We build APIs with Node.js and Express. Question and answer practice. Student reads aloud. Imagine someone asked, "So what do you do?" Read your answer aloud, using the text you created in the writing activity. Record yourself with your cell phone and listen. Do you sound confident?
We have completed our second class. Don't forget to practice, interact, read, and do all the activities that we have available in our PDF. See you next class.